Hello, wonderful, amazing, beautiful people of God. Welcome back into my channel. My name is Kania. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today we are doing a Organize My Desk with me. And you guys are about to see what this desk is looking like. Girl. It's not that, maybe. I was about to say it's not that bad, but it could definitely be better. It can be better. So we are going to organize my desk, get me situated. I want to declutter because I don't want that much stuff on the desk per se. So let me turn you guys around. So yeah, as I was saying, you guys, I want to declutter. I'm going for like a pretty much of a minimalistic kind of look because I don't want too much stuff on my desk. This is my desk where I work from. This is my desk where I sometimes study at. And so I want to have less stuff on the desk. And if you saw my last vlog, I have literally, well, maybe not my last, but like 2 vlogs ago. Yeah, I think 2 vlogs ago where I was decluttering and cleaning out the closet. And I just been on this cleaning spree. And it's really amazing because God has really... I'm looking out the window. I don't know why I always look out the window when I'm talking, but I don't know. It just helps me to think when I look away. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I just been kind of on this organization kind of cleaning spree. Like the Lord has been pressing me to like clean out closets and do the things of organization, steward well over my living space, and really get myself together. And I didn't notice what God was hinting at. Like, he is so amazing. He's so cute. Not cute. He's so amazing because as I'm cleaning out things in the physical, he has really been nudging me to clean out areas in the spiritual, things in my heart, things in my mind, stinking thinking. Like a lot of things I've been having to get rid of, a lot of old behaviors, a lot of all of the things. So I say all of this to say that when God is prompting you to do something, it may not always make sense, but he's going to meet you right in that thing. And I talked about this in my last vlog. He's going to meet you right in that thing. And most time it's kind of getting you prepared and prompting you, preparing you for what it is that he really wants to do in you and for you and through you. And so all of the organization and the cleaning was really for me to get my spiritual house in order as well. Okay, so take heed to the Holy Spirit, take heed to the promptings of God, because he is doing some miraculous things. He is doing some supernatural things, and he needs your attention. He needs all of you, right? So this video was not about all that, but I felt like I had to share that with you guys because I'm open and honest and transparent with you all. And I'm bringing you along with me to organize this lovely, amazing area of mine that I have not been stewarding well over. I literally have been, and I'm, let me just say this. I have not even been working from this space. I've been literally working in the kitchen. That's how I know I had to organize and I had to clean. But I wanted to make a video out of it so you guys can come along with me and do that. So let me just be clear with y'all. This is on a budget, okay? A budget. I was not trying to break the bank to try to get all these aesthetic looking things because I'd rather put my money in areas of the business that's going to grow, that I know are going to grow and keep the business running. So we on a budget. I bought this because I kind of want to have like my little trinkets, little pins, little post-its, little... all that stuff in this. And then I got this from Amazing Savings. So if you don't have Amazing Savings near you, maybe you have a Dollar Tree, because definitely went to Dollar Tree. And don't sleep on Dollar General, because Dollar General would get you right with something like this as well. So if you have a Dollar General, go to Dollar General, or you can order it on Amazon. Amazon does right, but it depends on your budget. Like I said, this is budget friendly. I think I paid like roughly $7.99 for this. And I was gonna get more, but then I went to the Dollar Tree and I was like, these other things would do the job for me. Because also as we declutter, and I'm getting rid of a lot of paper, just all the stuff that is here that don't need to be here, that's just been laying around. And I bought a couple of these from Dollar Tree because I know I can fit like, you know, papers in there. And I was gonna get more of those clear things that you see, like that are a little bit more wider and longer to fit papers and stuff. But I was like, I really don't want it to be see-through because I don't want to see all the papers and it reminds me of the clutter all over again. So yeah, so I have these little, you see, these little things to open up, and then I guess this keeps it like, you know, you can sit down. So I'm gonna fit the papers and the folders and all the stuff in there. So anyways, part of my manners, I pray you all are doing well, and I pray that everything is well with you as you are tuning into this video. If I didn't say thank you, once again, thank you. Or if I didn't, thank you for tuning in. And let's get into the video because we got a lot of things to do. So I got me 2 bags. This is going to be for paper that I know I need to shred. And then this is going to be for things that I know for sure are garbage. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so I managed to take everything off, and I'm just gonna wipe it down. But guys, look at this mess. This is cray cray. But I did want to show you guys this. So if any of you are in New York and you are in real estate and you need a real estate book, let me know down in the comments. It's still in great condition. I kind of highlighted some areas in here, but I'll be more than happy to give this away to you for study. And I did put a little bit of tabs in here just to help me study and keep, you know, track of where I was. Also, if you are interested in personal training, I do have a book from Ace. There was a period in my time where I was really big on fitness. I still am big on fitness, but like I was trying to learn how to become certified as a trainer. But it just was not the right timing, and I don't even know if God really wanted me to do that anyway. But fitness is still a huge part of my life, and so if you guys are interested in this, just so you don't have to buy a new book, this is still in great condition as well. I don't think I highlighted anything in it, but yeah, it has everything that you need in it for you to take the exam. So if you are familiar with ACE, this is a school that helps you get certified, get your certificate as a personal trainer. And I also have the study guide book with a whole bunch of, excuse my hands, y'all, I'm ashy from cleaning, that has all of, you know, like the training modules. And I also like partnered up with another company. I think it was, is it this ACPC? Yeah, I think this is it, that they gave me like cheat sheets and things like that. This was like the cheat sheet to like help me really prepare for the exam. And they had like some different chapters of the book, right, to help us understand like the terminology and to remember the words with like all these graphics and stuff like that. So this is a study companion with it. So if you guys are interested, any of you are in ACE or looking to do your personal training with ACE, I have these books if you will be willing to have these, I'll be more than happy to send this to you guys. Just let me know in the comments down below, and we'll work out something through Instagram or whatever the case is. But I'll be more than happy to give these to you. Sometimes we can. This has been my jam for the past couple of weeks. Such a sweet worship song. Alright guys, we are on the floor because I gotta figure out where I want all of the things to go inside of these. So I want to organize it like books with books, you know, like important papers with important papers, supplies with supplies. Like that's kind of how I want it, and that's what we are about to do. So I also still have this little thing. I also need one of these for like cords and like my camera and stuff like that. Like have those stored away in something. Yeah, I think I might just do that. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so we're gonna organize the stuff in these, and then we're gonna get to this with like the little pens and the highlighters and all of the things. All right, so let's get into it. Alright you guys, so now we are done organizing this area with the bins, and I'm gonna have this little tray here. I'll put like some printing paper in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and just get the top of the desk more organized, but you guys see how minimalistic it is. I'm gonna put the printer back here, but it's so much more organized. I know where everything is at, and I don't have to see, you know, the clutter on the desk. So I'm super happy about that. Alright you guys, so this is what we are looking like. You guys see I organized this area for all the little highlighters and knickknacks for the desk. Put the paper in that pink slot, have those things just sitting there. And then this box is not really the best organized because there's no compartments, but I'm going to be in and out of this a lot for the ring light, for the cameras, the my hard drive, like all of the things. So I'll be in and out of this daily, but it's just much more organized, so much more cleaner. I went ahead and refilled the ink to my printer. I just need to get some black ink, but yeah, it looks so much better. I know it doesn't look like much space to like write on or study, but I could always just move my laptops over, and then this would just be my area to work or do whatever paperwork or journal, whatever I need to do. And I could always just bring this over to my other end table as well. And that is all, you guys. So I pray you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for staying all the way to the end of the video and watching me organize my desk. So I pray that and encourage you to organize your desk and really just clean up a bit and just clean out those old areas, those cluttered areas, so that way you can think straight. I know for me, when I have clutter, I cannot think straight, and that's why I've been working outside from the desk, because I was like, at some point I gotta tackle this. But as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.